Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start inside Voice Memos, open the app and select the recording you'll edit. Once selected, swipe up to reveal the waveform and tap the three-dot menu. Make sure to duplicate the file right away via More Duplicate so you always have the original. This protects you if a trim or replace goes wrong. Now tap Edit Recording to enter the editor. The waveform and simple tools appear. From here you're ready for precise trimming and replacing. You'll see yellow handles around the waveform. Drag them to isolate the exact portion you want kept or removed. Once done, choose Trim to delete everything outside the selection, or choose Replace to override a segment by recording directly into that spot. Make sure to zoom the waveform with a pinch gesture for frame-accurate placement. This is why you duplicated earlier. After a replace, listen through and repeat replace if a take needs better timing. When your changes sound right, tap Done to save the edited memo. The duplicate preserves the untouched original so you can revert if needed. Once saved, use the share icon to export as M4A to files, mail, or other apps. If something goes wrong, edits didn't apply or audio glitched, make sure to quit and reopen Voice Memos, or restore from the duplicate and retry the same trim or replace steps. That usually fixes transient issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.